She is born of fire, yet she grew up in silence. She is Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom, yet books were snatched from her. She is powerful, but she was called weak at every turn. This is the land that worships the goddess, where Durga rides a lion. Yet, a common girl's future is snatched away in the darkness. This is the land where in the shlokas it is said that where women are worshipped, there the gods dwell.
हमारे शास्त्र ऐसा कहते हैं, जहाँ नारी का सम्मान है, स्त्री का आदर है, अथवा कन्याओं के लिए अभ्यर्चना, आराधना और उपासना के भाव हैं, वहाँ पर उन्नयन, उत्थान और जीवन का उत्कर्ष है.
But in reality, she finds herself alone on the lowest ground of the society. Her screams are still echoing due to illiteracy, financial problems, and social oppression. In the dreams of such women to fill new colors and with aim to give a new identity to their lives, Ladli Foundation Trust was established and started.
Ladli is a globally recognized grassroots level organization. Ladli is dedicated for women empowerment, protecting children and uplifting the marginalized population. We are working on various deep-rooted issues of India such as gender equality, health disparities, education and economic vulnerability.
Today, all the countries of the world are dedicated to achieving the goal of gender equality. Because everyone knows that to achieve the success of a country's development, it is very important to give equal opportunities to women. On these issues of women, for the last 13 years working on a ground level, Ladli Foundation kept the story of the struggles of those women in front of the country, which was propagated by the family and the society. Along with that, it worked to uplift those poor women who were born in a family where the birth of a daughter was considered a curse.
ज़मीनी स्तर की इस वास्तविकता को जानते हुए लाडली फाउंडेशन ने अपने कई प्रयासों के माध्यम से इस क्षेत्र में कार्य करने की कई विभिन्न पहलें करी हैं, जिसमें से सशक्त, स्वाभिमान, पठनशाला, ई पठनशाला व अन्य कई प्रोजेक्ट ज़मीनी स्तर पर कार्यरत हैं.
Ladli Foundation is not just a social organization, but a living story of Devendra Kumar, whose parents had left him in a poor settlement with his 3-day-old sister at the age of 2. From where, at the age of 8, while working as a child labor, Devendra experienced a new struggle every day. Sometimes he was brutally beaten by the boys who were intoxicated. Sometimes he had to face social oppression. In order to save himself from all these circumstances, his efforts led him to join the Delhi police and become a community police volunteer. From there, he took up the challenge of giving a new direction to the lives of people like him.
जब मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे छोड़ा था तो 3 दिन की नन्ही बहन के साथ मुझे छोड़ा था, तो मेरी गोद में वो 3 दिन की मेरी यंगर सिस्टर मेरे साथ थी, जिसको शुरू से मैं लाडली कहता हुआ बड़ा हुआ हूँ. और अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए और अपनी सिस्टर के सर्वाइवल के लिए मैंने 8 साल की उम्र में ही काम करना शुरू कर दिया था.
In the poor settlements, while experiencing the misery of the girls and the lack of opportunities, Devendra struggled to save his younger sister from child marriage and dowry abuse. But in those settlements, this struggle was not only of one Devendra.
ऐसी जो लड़कियां हैं जो बड़ी हो चुकी हैं, 18 की एज क्रॉस कर गई हैं और डिले ऑफ मैरिज की वजह से वो विक्टिमाइज्ड हो रही हैं. एक एक्सट्रीम वल्नरेबल लाइफ जो वुमेन्स जी रही हैं, उनको एड्रेस करने के लिए हम लोगों ने ये शुरुआत की.
Majority of the families were suffering from the same pain. Inspired by this, Devendra started working for all those daughters. And in the year 2012, he established the Ladli Foundation. With the support of the International Saint Acharya Swami Abadeshanand Giri in 58 cities across the country, together through Kanya Pujan and social marriage programs, the Ladli Foundation has worked to give a new direction to the lives of more than 27 lakh people.
नारी आज भी अपने अधिकारों के लिए लड़ रही है। आज भी नारी तक उसके अधिकार नहीं पहुँचे हैं। उसे हम शिक्षित करें, संस्कारित करें और उसके सम्मान स्वाभिमान के लिए आगे आएँ। लाडली का जो ये प्रयोग अथवा लाडली के जो समग्र आयाम और उसका अनुष्ठान है वह अभिनंदनीय है।
The Ladli Foundation has brought positive changes in the lives of more than 2.7 million people. It has provided digital education to more than 2,57,000 students and has helped 8 lakh students in Delhi schools to implement innovative solutions for nutrition improvement.
दिल्ली सरकार के जो स्कूल्स थे उनमें एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या ये थी कि कंप्यूटर लैब्स वहाँ मौजूद नहीं थी। कंप्यूटर की नॉलेज तो एक बेसिक नॉलेज है, तो वो प्रोवाइड करने में लाडली फाउंडेशन ने बहुत ही एक अच्छा कदम उठाया। 20 से ज़्यादा स्कूलों के अंदर कंप्यूटर लैब्स लगाई गई, जिसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट स्कूलों पे देखा।
In 2017, at the Run for Ladli Half Marathon, the participation of 20,000 men strengthened the feeling of gender equality. The Home Minister, the Social Justice Minister, the international politicians, and many distinguished guests praised it.
दिल्ली पुलिस और लाडली फाउंडेशन के अध्यक्ष श्री देवेंद्र गुप्ता, इन दोनों को भी मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि जन सामान्य में लाडली सुरक्षा के प्रति एक जागरूकता पैदा करने की दृष्टि से एक अभिनव प्रयास उन्होंने प्रारंभ किया है।
The work of the Ladli Foundation is being appreciated not only nationally but also internationally.
We have been awarded the special consultative status in United Nations. We have been awarded the national award by the Government of India for our effective grassroots activities.
During the 65th Women's Conference in 2021, Secretary General of the United Nations Antonio Guterres praised the effective efforts of the Ladli Foundation in the direction of women's health and child marriage.
Working for women empowerment or strengthening the underprivileged communities is just not a social responsibility. I think it is the foundation of progressive and equitable society.
The Ladli Foundation, which started with the social marriage program benefiting lakhs of people through many international programs, and is continuously working for the empowerment of women.
Ladli Foundation is not just an organization but a ray of hope which is committed to bringing change to the lives of all the deprived and needy people of the society.
Ladli is now driving a largest volunteering program with the student population. लोग लाडली के साथ भी जुड़ें, अगर लगता है कि लाडली के साथ नहीं जुड़ पा रहे हैं तो इंडिविजुअल लेवल पर जहाँ भी जो सोशल एक्टिविटी पर परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं कर सकते हैं वो करें और अपने बच्चों को उसमें इंगेज करें। तो स्कूल लेवल पर जब बच्चे इंगेज होंगे सोशल इश्यूज़ को लेकर के तो एक बड़ा बदलाव है।
Your effort can give direction and light to the lives of thousands of people. Join the Ladli Foundation to bring smiles to someone's life.
लाडली फाउंडेशन, आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई मेरी तरफ से।
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग लाडली फाउंडेशन से जुड़े, के अंदर वॉलंटियर बने।
समाज के लोग लाडली के साथ जुड़ें। एक एक कन्या को अगर हम गोद ले सकें और उसके शिक्षा और स्वावलंबन के लिए हम खड़े हो सकें तो समाज में बड़ा परिवर्तन होगा।